Good morning, students. I, Shruti Mishra, welcomes you all in the third session of Chapter 11, Force and Pressure. Students, in previous session we have discussed about contact forces. Now, in this session we are going to discuss about non-contact forces. Forces which we can apply without touching or without in contact of other object. Okay. So, first of all we will discuss about magnetic force. The force exerted by any magnetic object is called magnetic force. The force which is applied by magnetic object. कोई भी मैग्नेटिक ऑब्जेक्ट जब दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट पे फोर्स अप्लाई करता है देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज मैग्नेटिक फोर्स. We know that like magnetic poles always repel each other. Okay, like poles, the like poles of the magnet always repel each other. That is why they push each other. Okay, also opposite magnetic poles always attract each other. That is why they pull each other towards themselves. Means like poles always repel each other and unlike poles always attract each other. Here you can see in this picture attraction. These two are the, here you can see these are the different poles. Here it is a different pole and this is the different pole, so they are attracting each other. But here you can see both are like poles, they both are same, both are like poles, so they are repelling each other, they are pushing each other. Here you can see the rotation of the attraction from this side to this side. Now the force, another topic is electrostatic force. This is the another example of non-contact force. The force exerted by charged particle is called electrostatic force. Okay, the force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body, whether it is charged or uncharged, this force is known as electrostatic force. Means एक चार्ज बॉडी या एक चार्ज पार्टिकल दूसरे चार्ज या अनचार्ज पार्टिकल के ऊपर जो फोर्स अप्लाई करता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स. We know that like charges always repel or push each other like magnetic force. यहाँ भी सेम कंडीशन है कि like charges always repel each other or push each other. Similarly, opposite charges always attract or pull each other towards themselves. वो क्या करते हैं? They are attracting और they are pulling each other towards themselves. दोनों को pull करते हैं अगर if this is the opposite charges. ठीक है, means like magnetic force always this is the means like poles होते हैं तो क्या होता है? Repel होता है और unlike poles होते हैं then क्या होता है? Attract होता है. Here also same. If the charges are like charges then it will be repelling each other. If it is opposite charges then it will attract each other. Here you can see repulsion. These the both are like charge poles, like charges. So क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? They are repelling each other. Here you can see both are again same charges, means negative, so it is repelling each other. Here you can see no charges at all, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? न्यूट्रल हो जाएगा, means neither positive nor negative. But here you can see one is positive charge and another is negative charge. Here you can see this is positive and negative charge, so it is attracting each other. दोनों एक दूसरे के they pull each other towards themselves. Now the another example is gravitational force. Gravitational force is another example of non-contact forces. It is an attractive force that is applied by the earth on all the objects. Okay, this is the attractive force which is applied by the earth. ये ऐसा force है which is applied by the earth on all the object. ये attractive force है, means earth is attracting all the objects towards themselves. It is also called the force of gravity or gravity that acts upon all the objects that are present on or near the earth's surface. Okay, ये एक ऐसा force है which is applied by the earth on all the objects. जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट अर्थ के आसपास है या उसके ऊपर है, दे ऑल आर अट्रैक्टिंग बाय द अर्थ. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी और ग्रेविटी. The force of gravity acts on all of us all the time without or being aware of it. हमें इसका पता भी नहीं होता. We are not aware about it कि अर्थ हमें कैसे अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है. बट अर्थ इज अट्रैक्टिंग एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट टूवर्ड्स द अर्थ. Okay, so this is called as force of gravity. Here you can see another example of gravitational force. Water begins to flow towards the ground as soon as we open a tap. हम कभी भी जब भी कोई टैप ओपन करते हैं तो क्या होता है, वाटर ऑलवेज फ्लो टूवर्ड्स द ग्राउंड. वाटर कभी ऊपर के डायरेक्शन में नहीं जाता, ऑलवेज फ्लो टूवर्ड्स द ग्राउंड. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. ठीक है, ये फोर्स जो ग्राउंड या अर्थ की तरफ से लगता है, इट इज़ ऑलवेज अट्रैक्टेड टूवर्ड्स द अर्थ. सो जो पानी का फ्लो है ऑलवेज इट इज़ कमिंग डाउन, ना कि वो ऊपर की तरफ या लेफ़्ट या राइट कहीं नहीं जाता, सीधा वो नीचे की तरफ आता है. वाटर इन रिवर्स फ्लो डाउनवर्ड्स. हेयर यू कैन सी रिवर वाटर ड्यू टू द फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी इट इज़ ऑलवेज फ्लो डाउनवर्ड्स. जो रिवर का वाटर है वो हमेशा नीचे की तरफ मूव करता है, ना कि वो ऊपर पहाड़ों की तरफ नहीं जाता, वो हमेशा नीचे की तरफ आता है, ऑन द प्लेन सरफेस की तरफ वो आता है. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ऑफ अर्थ. ठीक है, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे स्टूडेंट्स. इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस मोर अबाउट दिस चैप्टर. Okay, now we will in the next session we will discuss about pressure and the example of pressure. Thank you.